Why isn't your hair done?
Why isn't your face beat?
You right.
Right.
Come on. Ooh. We cleaned up nice.
Sure do.
Especially because I beat that face, girl.
Oh, wait till I put that wig on.
Hello, everybody. I am Tatiana Ward, aka BEATFACEHONEY.
And I am Tiara Milton, owner of She and Her Studios.
So a lot of you may know Tiara from my social medias. A lot of you may not. Tiara is the owner of She and Her Hair Studio in Staten Island, New York. She is a master wig maker. So of course I am a celebrity makeup artist and I've taught millions of people on YouTube. I've also toured the country for about 4 years teaching live classes. So makeup is everything that I know. And before meeting you, something that I didn't know was how popular, how lucrative, and how busy wig making can be.
Oh yeah, wig making is the new trend today. From the celebrities who are the highlight of wig making, they have set the trend, they set the bar. However, it's been around for many, many years, but I think today we are accepting wigs.
I have seen you literally cross over from doing weave to straight up wigs.
Yeah, it cuts out a lot of time, it's more lucrative, and I think women are paying attention to their hair and their sense of style today, so I think it's a great thing for today and what's happening.
So after spending so much time in Staten Island at She and Her Studio, spending time with Tiara, our relationship has evolved from just her coming to my classes to learn makeup and me coming to learn all about her wig making. We decided to team up
together and combine both artistries of
wig making
and beating faces.
Yeah. This is why we are so excited to introduce you guys to this new concept, and we are calling this class
the Stitch
and Slay.
Come through, honey.
So what does the Stitch and Slay class involve?
It involves the technique of making a wig on a sewing machine, and the Slay represents
me. So wait, I know what you're thinking already. I know you think that you have to be a cosmetologist in order to make wigs, right?
And you absolutely do not. The people that you see today on Instagram are, chances are they're not licensed at all. The great thing about wig making is that you can create and design a wig for yourself or even for a client without even having a license.
So let me get this straight. Are you licensed?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so if you're licensed, then why wouldn't I have to be licensed if I wanted to get into wig making?
Just to simplify everything, the difference between being a licensed cosmetologist and being a wig maker is you have to have a license to service a person, but you do not need a license to service a wig.
So the people that I see on Instagram that are making wigs in their homes and they're making these amazing, colorful wigs and handing it to the client to put on, they could never get in trouble for that.
Ever.
So I see people gluing hair onto wig caps all the time on YouTube. You can learn that on YouTube, you know? So what makes you any different?
Well, glue doesn't last but so long. So what I'm going to teach you is how to make the perfect, seamless, custom unit, and that's by stitching.
So when you say stitch, like you hand stitch the hair onto
the machine works for you.
Okay, well, I don't have a machine. So
I will be providing a machine along with my very own Brazilian hair from her collection.
So wait a minute. In this class, I get a sewing machine, I get Brazilian hair,
oh yeah,
and you're gonna walk me through learning how to make a wig.
And you forgot one important thing. You will be walking away with an entire unit that you created.
Where do I sign up? Oh, wait. I have to teach.
Yeah.
So not only will you be walking away with a unit and taught by a master wig maker, but you will also be walking away, of course, learning my makeup artistry, the technique that I've used on people like Nicki Minaj, Brandy, K. Michelle, 7th Streeter, Keisha Cole, and so many more. I've taught you guys so much about makeup artistry, and I'm really, really excited to introduce the concept of being able to learn something else that will sell as long as you continue to learn it. I have never used a sewing machine before. I have never threaded a sewing machine before. I have barely ever worn wigs before. You guys know I'm always wearing my natural hair. So being around Tiara made me more comfortable with the idea, and it's so fun like that. But that's the thing about learning, and that's the thing about being a beginner. You have to start somewhere. And I'm so glad that you instructed me through it, because I could see how easy it was. Like, and of course it's gonna take time, but you can't walk away knowing everything, but it's a start, and I would really like to learn more. Again, I'm just so excited about this concept, because anything to help you guys make more money, anything to help you expand or grow, or even just begin. So Stitch and Slay's first class is going to be in Atlanta at the top of August. We decided that we wanted to do it at the same time as Garner Brothers, so that we would have all those beauty industry folks in one sitting.
Yes, ma'am.
The class is going to be really limited, because I want it to be intimate so that you guys can learn my makeup technique from top to bottom and really be on top of me and see what I'm doing. Also, Tiara is providing the machines for you guys and the hair, and she wants to make sure that she can get to every single one of you individually and spend a significant amount of time with you. So it's really going to be only a handful of people that we accept into this class. So if this is something that you would like to attend, jump on it right now. The tickets go on sale on Friday, and it's just going to be a small group.
Let's stitch and slay, ladies.
Let's do it. See you guys there. Can't wait to meet you.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye. Are we done yet?
Yeah, we're finished.
God, this is so hot. You know what? Oh,
really?
bald headed.
Still look good though.